Welcome to Math Chinedu Hub class. Today we'll be looking at WAEC past question. Okay, so we have this question here. 2 in brackets 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 9 in brackets 2 raised to the power of x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have to find the value of x here. Okay, so we have solution. We bring it down. 2 in brackets raised to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 9 in brackets 2 raised to the power of x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is actually a topic called indices in mathematics. Okay, so what we do here, we try to separate this using the same base, which is 2 raised to the power of 2x, okay, times 2 raised to the power of 1. Now this is the same thing as this. Okay, now here we have here minus 9, of course. Let's leave it 2 raised to the power of x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, if you look at this also, this is also the same thing. This can also be splitted up as 2 raised to the power of x in bracket 2. Because x times 2, we still have what? 2x. So it's still the same thing. Nothing has really changed. So we have here times 2 raised to the power of 1 minus, you can still leave here 9 to be what? Can still get times 2 raised to the power of what? X. We have tried to open the bracket, of course. You know that this is what is multiplication sign. Yes, so here we now have plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, looking at this, we can say let this 2 raised to the power of x, since we have here, we also have here, we can say let what? Let 2 raised to the power of x be represented, or we can see represent what? Y. Is that okay? Okay, the y. So that means anywhere we see 2 raised to the power of x, we can replace what? We can replace what? Y there. So in this case here will now be y. You can see instead of using 2x, so here we now have what? Y, and of course we have times 2 raised to the power of 2 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is still 2 minus 9 here, of course, times, instead of writing 2 raised to the power of 2, we now have what? Times y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, this is still the same thing. Now here we now have 2y, 2 raised to the power of y times 2 is giving us what? 2y squared minus 9 times y is giving us 9y plus 4 is giving us 0. So as you can see, we can now what? Factorize this to get the value of y here. Okay, so now here 2 times 4 is giving us 8. Of course, this is 2y squared times 4 is giving us 8y squared. We find 2 factors of 8. Of course, we can take 1 and 8. 1 and 8, 1 and 8 here. By the time we add or subtract to get the coefficient of what? Y, which is minus 9. And we are taking 1 and 8. If we put minus 1 minus 8 is giving us minus 9. So this is giving us here 2y squared. Now, of course, no, we don't have anything like 1y or 1x. So this simply means what? Minus y minus 8y then plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the same thing as minus 9. Okay, let's continue. There's progress. Now, we factorize this as well. You can see here 2y squared minus y. Here we take what? Y. And 2y squared divided by y is giving us 2y minus y divided by y is giving us what? 1. Okay. Minus sign. What's common here? 8y plus 4. What's common here? Of course, you can see that 4 is common. 4 can divide and divide here. So we have minus 4 open bracket. 8y divided by 4, which is giving us what? 2y. Okay. And minus times plus is giving us minus. Of course, 4 divided by 4 is what? 1 is equal to 0. Now, here we now take what? Y minus 4 or 2y minus 1 is giving us what? 0. Okay, so y is equal to, by the time y crosses to the other side, that is giving us what? Plus 4 or 2y This minus y will cross to this side, becomes plus 1. Now to get our final y, we divide both sides by 2. So y here is equal to what? 1 over 2. Y is equal to 4. Okay, so but remember, here we say, let's 2 raised to the power of x represent what? Let it be what? Be y. Okay, so here, when y is equal to 4, let's look at it here. Then we should remember, okay, that here we say that what 2x will be, we use y to replace what? 2x. As you can see, so when y is equal to 4, that means 2x raised to the, 2 raised to the power of x is equal to y is equal to 4. Okay, so in this case here now, 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 4. So we try to let them have the same what? The same base. So of course, having the same base, this is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2. Because 2 raised to the power of 2 will still give us what? 4. You can see here we are having what? The same base. We equate their powers. This simply, we equate the powers. So x is equal to 2. Then also here, when y is equal to half. So remember that 2 raised to the power of x is equal to y is equal to half. So here we are having 2 raised to the power of x is equal to what? Half. We try to make them have the same word base as well, which is giving us 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 2 raised to the power of this becomes minus 1. So we also equate their powers. So x is equal to minus 1. You can see, therefore, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 1. Thank you. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Math Chinedu Hub. So thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.